What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so we are using again MS PowerPoint, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to record your screen while you are working. Say for example, if you are making a video tutorial, just like what I usually do in my YouTube channel, I'm gonna teach you that using MS PowerPoint. Yes, we can actually do it. Screen recording using MS PowerPoint. But before we proceed, my dear friends, if this is your first time to visit my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright? In this channel, I'm always uploading video tutorials about computers and more. Alright? Without further ado, let's do this one. We're gonna screen record our activity in MS PowerPoint using MS PowerPoint itself. Okay? As you can see, I'm already in the environment of MS PowerPoint right now. And simply, the first thing that we need to do is, of course, to customize. Let's add some slides. Duplicate, duplicate. Alright. Shapes. To see its differences. Let's make it that one blue. Copy. Next, let's change this one and let's turn it into orange, okay? The next, let's turn this one, let's change it into red. Alright, so that we can see the differences. Alright, next, my dear friends, if you want to start recording whatever you are doing in your PC, in your PowerPoint, or in desktop, we may proceed, or let's proceed to insert. Then you can see here at the rightmost part, screen recording. Okay, then we can record our activities in using MS PowerPoint. Right? I'm gonna click this one. Then let's select area. I'm gonna capture all. Alright, from here, drag it down. Okay, then next, click record. Okay, wait for it until it starts recording. There you go. 1 second, we are already starting the record. Alright, or screen recording. I'm going back to my PowerPoint presentation. There you go. We have the home tab, we have the design tab, we have the transition tab, animation tab, my first slide, my second slide, my third slide. I'm gonna slide show this one. There you go. Next, third slide. That's our sample video. Let's save it now. Simply, right, then stop. Then our video, our recorded video will be inserted on our slide. Okay? Just wait for it depending on how many minutes did you use to save it. There you go. PowerPoint inserting media. There we have it, my dear friends. Screen recorded. Okay? Video. Now, we need to save this one as MP4 or export it from PowerPoint. Alright? Simply right click. Then, save image or save media as. Save media as. It will automatically be converted as MP4. So there's nothing to worry. Media 1, I'm gonna rename it. Screen record sample. Sample. There you go. I'm gonna save it in my desktop. Then, save. That's our output. We may just then edit it. Wait for it until it's done saving. Okay? Yes, actually we can do screen recording using our MS PowerPoint. There you go, screen record. Now, let's watch this output of ours. It is also one powerful tool, right? There you go, our sample output. There you go. 1 second, we are already starting the record. Alright, or screen recording. I'm going back to my presentation. There you go. We have Alright, so that's just simply how to use PowerPoint presentation in recording your screen. You can actually record everything, every activity, you may capture it using MS PowerPoint itself. Alright, so my dear friends, hope you've learned something, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.